Good morning to all. I am Geeta, Assistant Professor from ECE Department, Rogini College of Engineering and Technology. I am going to handle the subject on medical electronics. So now I am going to discuss about the topic on pacemaker. So after completion, the students will be able to define pacemaker, what are the methods of simulation, what are the different modes of operation. So first we have to know what is meant by pacemaker. So the pacemaker is an electrical pulse generator for starting and by or mentioning the normal heartbeat. So how we have to check our heartbeat with the help of pacemaker. So the output of the pacemaker is applied either externally to the chest or internally to the heart muscle. So in the case of cardiac standstill, the use of pacemaker is temporary, just long enough to start a normal heart rate. A long-term pacemaker is surgically implanted in the body, so the electrodes will be direct contact with the heart. So the cardiac disease where the ventricular rate is too low, it can be increased to normal rate by using this type of pacemaker. So this is the pacemaker pulse. This will be generated in the electrical pulse generator. So what are the methods of simulation we are having? So there are two types of simulation. One is the internal simulation, another one is the external simulation. So first we are going to see the internal simulation. So in this method, the long-term phasing because of permanent damage of electrodes, so in this form of fine wires of Teflon will be coated with a stainless steel. So the current range will be 2 to 5 milliampere. So in this type, we have to use the bipolar and the unipolar electrodes will be used in the internal simulation. So the bipolar electrodes, there are simulating electrode and the contact electrode. So this will be serves as a return path for current to pacemaker. So next one is a unipolar electrode. So there is only simulating electrode and the return path for current to pacemaker will be made through the body fluid. So this is the difference between the bipolar and the unipolar electrodes. So next one is the external simulation. So in this method, to restore the normal rate of heart, in the case of cardiac standstill, we have to use the paddle shaped electrode. This will be applied on the surface of the heart. So this will be having the current range 20 to 150 milliampere. So based on the placement of pacemaker, we are having two types. One is the external pacemaker, another one is the internal pacemaker. This will be also called as implanted pacemaker. Then different modes of operation. So we are having ventricular asynchronous pacemaker, ventricular synchronous pacemaker, then ventricular inhibited pacemaker, then arterial synchronous pacemaker, then atrial sequential ventricular inhibited pacemaker. So these are the 5 types we are having. So first we are going to see the ventricular asynchronous pacemaker. So the other name is fixed rate pacemaker. So in this method, this can be used in atrium and ventricle side. So it has a simplest mechanism. So this will be mainly having the longest battery life. Then this type of pacemaker, this will be mainly suitable for the patient with either in a stable stage or total AV block and a slow atrial rate. So in this method, we have to use the fixed rate pacemaker. So it is basically a simplest stable multi-vibrator which produces a fixed rate of heart. So the competition between the neural heart beats and the pacemaker heartbeats will be, some of the heart rate will be varied based on the fixed rate pacemaker. So if the pacemaker pulses will be reaches the heart during the certain period, so the ventricular fibrillation may be occur in the particular heart to the patient. So the nowadays the fixed pacemaker is fabricated on a large scale, integrated circuits will be used in this type of pacemaker. Then this is the diagram for the ventricular synchronous pacemaker. We are having one amplifier. This will be connected inverted mode. So in this method, the period of square wave generator, this will be given by where alpha will be equal to R2 divided by R1 plus R2, where alpha is a feedback voltage fraction. Then T can be changed by changing alpha or time constant RC. The square wave generator is nothing but a stable multi-vibrator which switches the output voltage between V saturation modulus and minus modulus of V saturation, that is the saturation voltage. The output of the square wave generator is coupled to the positive edge triggered monostable multi-vibrator circuit. So some disadvantages will be having in the fixed rate pacemaker. So if you are using the fixed rate pacemaker, the heart rate cannot be increased. Then the simulation with the fixed impulse frequency result in the ventricles and the atrial beating at different rates. So the various stroke value of heart, this will be causes some losses in the cardiac output. Possibility of ventricular fibrillation will be more. So after completing the pacemaker, the quiz question is based on any disturbance in the heart's normal rhythmic concentration or contraction is called dash. Thank you.